Hi, my name's Brian with Coombs Air. One of the most common comments we get from a customer after we've installed a heating and air system at their home is, hey Brian, I had no idea how involved installing this system was going to be. Because of that, we've tried to put together a video that will help demonstrate the process and everything involved with replacing a system inside your home. Once a customer has decided that they want to know what's involved with installing a new heating and air system in their house, the first step is we have one of our senior technicians come out and look at their existing system. They're looking at the outdoor equipment, the indoor equipment, gauging how old it is, what kind of condition it's in. They're also looking at the ductwork, access. They're also going to measure the home exterior and look at the interior insulation values as well, so that we can actually size the system correctly just for your house. So once the technician has examined the home, checked out your system, and answered any questions you've had, then he'll go over different options for replacement. And this will be different grades of equipment, different air quality options. Everything can have different warranties. It's really not a one-size-fits-all. There's a lot of different options that go into setting up this decision. Once a decision has been made on what system you'd like to have installed, then we'll set up a date and a time for replacement. On the day of replacement, we're going to send an installation team out to install the system in your home. They'll arrive in the morning. Everyone that's part of the Coombs Air team is drug screen, background checked, and they're our team members. We don't use subcontractors for anything to do with the air conditioning and heating equipment. Now, after meeting with you, they'll put on shoe covers and start putting drop cloths down throughout the house so that we make sure we keep all your property protected. Then we're going to have typically two guys that will go up into the attic, and they're going to start disassembling the equipment, while another technician will go out to the side of the house or backyard and do what we call pump down the system or recover for refrigerant. Once the new equipment is unboxed and assembled, then we'll carefully bring the outdoor unit on the back or side of the house. While one technician is working outside to reconnect the refrigerant lines and power and control lines, then two guys will bring the new furnace and coil up into the attic. They'll suspend it from the rafters. This helps reduce noise and vibration so the system runs more quiet. They'll reconnect your supply and return air boxes, and then they'll start putting the refrigerant lines together. Before they do that, they flush your refrigerant lines for contaminants, oil, and any other impurities that might be in the system so that it doesn't get into your new system. Then they'll braze and weld these refrigerant lines together and do what we call evacuate the system, which is pulling any moisture out, which ensures that your system's going to run a long time. After that's completed, they'll be reconnecting your electrical, gas, control, and vent lines. Then the technician will install and wire your new thermostat. Once installed, he goes through all the different setup options to make sure everything correctly matches the existing system that you have. All the new thermostats today have become more and more complicated, and they're more digital reliant. So making sure it appropriately matches all your system settings is important to both the comfort and the efficiency of your new system. Then our technicians will seal all your ductwork and make sure that we're not leaking any air into the attic or sucking any attic air in, so that you're operating at the highest efficiency and best comfort level possible. After the technicians have left, the job is still not done. One of our representatives from the office will give you a call and set up what we call a quality audit. This is where a lead technician or a manager will come out and inspect everything on the job and make sure we installed everything to your satisfaction and to our high standards. And the last step will be going over the thermostat with you, how to operate it, program, and help with connecting it to Wi-Fi as needed. Now, after the quality check, your installation is complete. However, our service to you is never finished. You are part of the Coombs Air family though, so if you ever have any questions, our customer care team is always available to answer questions, and they'll reach out to you to schedule ongoing service and maintenance so that we can keep your system running as efficiently as possible. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Hopefully it has helped answer questions, given you an idea of what to expect when we're installing a new comfort system inside your home.